This Bosch 12-volt lithium-ion max reciprocating saw kit with 1.5Ah high-capacity battery features a powerful 3000 SPM motor, fast cutting significantly faster than a hand saw. As fast or faster than our competition, compact small enough to reach into tight areas and corners, fuel gauge easier battery management for continued work, comfortable soft grip top and body multiple grip positions to prevent hand fatigue. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durable. With a durable design and a front rubber wrap, the reciprocating saw protects internal parts from dust, debris, and water. Its bumper design minimizes vibration. Number 2. Protection. This Bosch features a complete protection system including protection from overheating and overloading as well as under-voltage protection. Electronic cell protection offers to linger tool life and run time. Number 3. Convenient. This Bosch reciprocating saw comes complete with an LED light to effectively illuminate dark workspaces as well as a battery fuel gauge to indicate capacity level. Speed, 0 to 3600. Number 4. Robust. This Bosch reciprocating saw is tough enough to cut different types of materials including hard materials like copper and conduit. The tool also featured a fast motor brake for more safe and accurate cutting. Number 5. Added stability. The Bosch 12-volt max pocket reciprocating saw kit also includes a pivoting foot that gives you added stability when you are working on wood and other materials, ideal for cutting, trimming, carving, and other applications. This hand tool by Bosch is ideal for completing small projects around the house, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there a safety switch that has to be pressed in each time of use, or can it be used by pressing it in once and using it, and then lock it out? Answer. This Bosch reciprocating saw has a lock-off switch located above the trigger. This lever is designed for locking the trigger in the off position to help prevent accidental starts and accidental battery discharge. Question number 2. Could this be used to cut out small tree trunks? Answer. This Bosch reciprocating saw can cut any material like small trunks. It is also the blade that will vary. Question number 3. How does this compare to Milwaukee brushless? Does it cut as smoothly or does it tend to produce a lot of vibration? Answer. This Bosch reciprocating saw is designed to provide cutting for small spaces and tight corners. This efficient and effective unit is light, at only 2.6 pounds, and compact, at 11.0 inches long, but it delivers a 0.57 inches stroke that can get cuts accomplished, and in small work areas. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.